Welcome to Engineers Development Program Rebar Works. In this section of the module, we will show you how to prepare an order list for rebars based on cutting list. We will go through step by computing the required commercial lengths and then computing for the wastage percentage of unused rebars. The cutting list is a very useful tool. Not only it serves as a guide in installation and monitoring of rebars at site, it can also serve as a basis of an order list so we can optimize the delivery and budget for rebars. In preparing an order list, there are 3 steps. First step is to gather the necessary data and details such as required cut length, quantity, and bar diameter of the main bars. Next are details for the stir-up schedule such as spacing, quantity, and cut length. Second step is to identify the required commercial size and length for the bill of material. And the last step is to compute for the wastage percentage. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Gathering the necessary data and arranging is the key. Let's look at the sample. Part of the structure by identifying its name. The grid line where the structure can be found or located. The bar mark is the location of rebars within the structure. The bar diameter is the required rebar diameter. The number of units pertains to the quantity of the structure. The number of pieces pertains to the quantity of rebars. The total quantity is the number of units multiplied by number of pieces. Length is the cut length of the rebar. Step 2. Identify the required commercial size and length for the bill of material. Parameters for choosing lengths of rebar should be used and purchased are yielded waste and practicality. For this scenario, here's one of the best possible combination. Then compute the total cut length by multiplying total quantity and length. Then, finally, compute for the total commercial length by multiplying the commercial lengths to required quantities. Here's a sample of an order list ready for the bill of materials. Then we must summarize and get the equivalent weight by applying the weight formula, which is 0.00616 multiplied by diameter of rebar squared, then multiplied by the length of rebar, and identify the grade required by the specification. Reminders: for purchasing the total weight of rebars, different grades shall be separated since each grade have different prices, and the grand total commercial weight must be computed for monitoring purposes. Last item in business is the computation of the wastage percentage. The formula for wastage percentage is 1 minus grand total weight divided by the grand total commercial weight multiplied by 100. From the previous example, the grand total length is 439.36 kilograms and the grand total commercial weight is 466.86 kilograms. Applying the formula, we can get a 5.89% of wastage. Normally, wastage percentage are around 5 to 12% depending on designs and other factors.